Barn restoration project 2. Took a window out. We put in the sister post
About to put in another one.
to back up this old girl. Put in a chuck down there. And where are we putting this new post? Put another post right here.
Here, we skip this one.
This one's good.
This one's the best. And then we go over here.
Yeah, this is a janky repair somebody did back in the day. So yeah, we gotta shore that up before the new window goes in. All right, so this is this year's project, and the barn door a new barn door will be built as well. Now, so last year, new barn door. This whole corner. Let's go around the bush. Let's not beat around the bush. All new siding. About 7 feet up. New siding, new window. One on the side here, about 3 feet of new siding from the bottom. Got rid of all the rot. New window. And a fucking upside down chimney. What the fuck is wrong with these people? Inside the new corner from last year, there's a sister post that went in the corner.
Dark corner.
This is some good looking paneling. It's just cheap paneling. It looks like real wood, right? There's the window. There's your new corner. Yep.
Three.
Progress. Good stuff here. And this on the inside.